Rowan. Today I'm going to do a science project because all my friends over here is telling me to do some science projects. They also want to try doing them, okay? Now let me get it, okay? Abracadabra. Even my hair is too long, it went somewhere and got it down. Look, it's the one science project. Okay, now, and you know what? They already gave a battery over here. You know why? Because this is a science project. In every science project has a battery in the place where you put the battery on and the switch and some wires over there. I don't know what these two plugs do. These two. But I'll see the instructions if it's in, okay? Let's open it. Yay! I'm so excited. My brother is very interested in this. We have science experiments. He did many in this book, so I'm going to get him over. He wrote it, come here. Yay, look! Say hello to my boy. Hi. Ooh. Okay, as you see, I got everything out. I will show you everything here. This is a battery. This one is the place where you put the battery. This one is, you see the bulb over there? You put the bulb in there. These are the two plug thingies, as you see. You put one over there, one over there. And the switch, obviously, and many wires over here. Ooh, awesome. Cool. Okay, I'll start fixing it and I'll show you at the last, okay? 1 minute please. Guys, we are done with it. And now I'll show you how does it work, okay? Look here. This battery, I kept it in that. So one end of the battery is connecting to this thing and the bulb and to the plug and the bulb. And the other end is going to the plug, to the switch, and the output, you see that thing over there? Output going, connecting to the bulb. So when you on it, the electricity is passing to here, there, and connecting. You know, red, black, it's always opposite. Okay? Now, let's on it. Hey, do you think this thing is gonna on? Light? Okay, I think yes. Can you see that light bulb? Oh my gosh, it's a homemade light bulb. Ooh, look, it's a homemade light bulb. That is the science experiment. In the experiment that I did before, we can even do another experiment. We're going to do the magnetic power. So now, I took this wire and copper wire and I'm going to spiral it around the needle. You see that needle? It's all covered with the copper wire. Okay, so 1, 2, last round. I'm done. Okay, got it? Guys, we are done the magnet, the final step. Look at this. The black to the first part here. It's done. Now another to this end. Can you see the magnet? Guys, look at this. 2 and 1 each side. This is the magnetic power. The spiral and the nail, the copper wire turning, spiraling around the needle and 2 plugs attaching, the black to black, the red to red, the 2 magnet paper plates, and the switch. Not the switch, I mean, it's the battery. It's a beautiful. Look at that. So awesome. Once I leave that, once I take it out, you just see. It came out. How did it come out? Because the connection power it's lost. Like, look, now I just back together, and when I do it, the magnetic power comes back. You can see the connection power. Guys, this is the end of this video. Bye. And you subscribe it, give it thumbs up.